So friends, let me move on to set number 2 on the topic algebra, right? So friends, here is question number 6. So if root of 7 minus 2 divided by root of 7 plus 2 is equal to a root 7 plus b. So we need to find what is the value of a, right? So friends, listen here, I think there are two terms a and b, but our target to find what is the value of a. So let me do one thing friends. I think everyone knows how to take a conjugate, right? So let me take conjugate of this number friends. Root of 7 minus 2 divided by root of 7 plus 2. So when we take conjugate, so root of 7 minus 2 divided by root of 7 minus 2 is equals to a root 7 plus b, right? So friends, here root of 7 minus 2, root of 7 minus 2 can be written as root of 7 minus 2 the whole square divided by, so friends, a plus b, a minus b. So the denominator can be written as a square minus b square. So a square will be root of 7 the whole square minus b square. So b square will be 2 square is equals to a root 7 plus b. So friends, this looks like a format called a minus b the whole square. So a square, so a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So divided by, so friends, root of 7 the whole square, the resultant will be 7, right? So 2 square will be 4. So 7 minus 4, the resultant will be 3. So finally we got a denominator that is 3 is equals to a root 7 plus b. So friends, I think root 7 whole square can be written as 7. So 2 square will be 4. So 7 plus 4 will be 11. So 11 minus of, so here it is 2 into 2 will be 4. So 4 root 7. So 4 root 7 divided by 3 is equals to a root 7 plus b. So friends, listen carefully friends. This can be written as 11 by 3. Friends, listen here. So I'm just going to write here. Listen carefully friends. So this complete term, I'm just going to write this as 11 divided by 3 minus of 4 root 7. So 4 root 7 divided by 3 is equals to a root 7 plus b. So friends, finally we can say that, listen here friends, a root 7. So this can be done as minus 4 by 3 root 7 can be taken as a root 7, right? And the value of b will be 11 by 3. Friends, can you able to understand this concept? Listen here, a root 7 plus b, and here we got root 7. So the value of a will be definitely minus 4 by 3 and the value of b will be 11 by 3. So finally we can say that our target to find what is the value of a. So value of a will be minus 4 by 3. So finally we got an answer for question number 6, that is option number B. Question number 7. So if a is equal to root of 7 plus 2 root 12, then b is equal to root of 7 minus 2 root 12, then find the value of a cube plus b cube. So friends, I think everyone knows what is the formula of a cube plus b cube, right? So friends, always remember that each formula can be written as many different ways. I am just going to write this formula a cube plus b cube as a plus b the whole cube, so minus of 3ab into a plus b. So friends, this is one way of writing this formula, right? So a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b the whole cube, so minus of 3ab into a plus b. So friends, we know what is the value of a and also what is the value of b, right? So a will be root of 7 plus 2 root 12. So when we substitute value of a and b here, it will be a lengthy procedure. So friends, always remember that in the topic algebra, if you find the expression like this, try to convert the expression in terms of a plus b the whole square. So if it is a toughest question or if it is an easy question, if you find a term like this, always remember that try to convert the expression in terms of a plus b the whole square or a plus b the whole cube. So friends, listen here friends, I am just going to convert this expression in terms of a plus b, that is 7 plus 2 root 12. So friends, listen carefully. So this 7 can be written as 4 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 will be 7. And this can be written as 2. So root of 12 can be written as 4 into 3. Right? So 4 into 3 will be 12. So friends, so root of 4 plus 3 plus 2. So friends, listen here friends. Root of 4 will be 2. Right? And here it is a root of 3. So friends, listen carefully friends. This looks like a format called a square plus b square plus 2ab. So friends, listen here, this 4 can be written as, so friends, listen carefully friends, a square, so we can say that this will be 2 square, right? 2 square will be 4, and the b square can be written as root 3 the whole square plus 2a into b. So friends, listen carefully. A square will be 4 and b square, root of 3 square will be 3. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 2 into a into b. So finally we have converted this expression in terms of a plus b the whole square. So the value of a will be 2 and value of b will be root 3. So finally we have converted this expression in terms of a plus b the whole square, that is 2 plus root 3 the whole square. So friends, we know that already root can be written as 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 2, the resultant will be, final answer will be 2 plus root 3. So finally we can say that the value of a will be 2 plus root 3, and we know that of b is equal to root of 7 minus 2 root 12. We know value of a will be 2 plus root 3, then the value of b will be 2 minus root 3. So finally we have calculated the value of a will be 2 plus root 3 and value of b will be 2 minus root 3. So friends, always remember that you should know how to write this formula, right? Then second thing is, if you find an expression like this, always try to convert the expression in terms of a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. So friends, remember that this root can be written as 1 by 2. So friends, listen here friends, this root can be written as 1 by 2, right? So 1 by 2. So we can cancel 2 and 2. The resultant will be 2 plus root 3. So if a is 2 plus root 3, then definitely we can say that the value of b will be 2 minus root 3. So friends, now our target to find what is value of, listen here friends, a plus b. We know that a plus b is equals to 2 plus root 3. So here it is 2 minus root 3. So we can cancel plus root 3 and minus root 3. The resultant value will be 4. So a plus b is equals to 4, right? So next is our target to find what is value of ab. So ab is equal to 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So friends, this looks like a format called a plus b and a minus b. So a plus b and a minus b, a square minus b square. So a square will be 2 square, that is 4, b square, that is root of 3 the whole square will be root of 3, that is 3. So this can be written as 1. So friends, a plus b, a minus b. So a square will be 4 and b square, that is root of 3 the whole square, the resultant will be 3. So 4 minus 3 will be 1. So finally we found what is the value of a plus b and we have found what is the value of ab. Just substitute all the values in this formula, right? So a plus b the whole square, we know a plus b will be 4, that is 4 cube minus of 3ab. So 3 into, we know what is the value of a and b, that is 1. So a plus b will be 4. So finally 4 cube will be 64. So minus 12. So this can be written as 52. So finally we can say that the value of a cube plus b cube, the resultant answer will be 52, which is option number D will be our answer. So friends, try to practice more number of questions like this, because if you once going for SSC, CGL or any other exams, so there will be many questions like algebra, trigonometry, geometry. So try to crack all the questions in algebra. Question number 8. If x is equal to root 3 by 2, then the value of root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x minus 1 minus x is. So friends, by using this x value, we need to find what is the value of that expression, right? So friends, I think let me do one thing. First of all, let me find what is value of 1 plus x, right? We know that here it is root of 1 plus x. So let me find initially what is the value of 1 plus x, friends. So 1 plus x is equal to root of 3 by 2. So finally this can be written as 2 plus root 3 divided by 2, which is value of 1 plus x. And 1 minus x will be 2 minus root 3, right? So similarly 1 minus x will be 2 minus root 3 divided by 2, right? So friends, listen carefully. So our target to find what is root of 1 plus x, and also we need to add root of 1 minus x. So friends, let me do one thing, friends. Listen here, friends. 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x is equal to 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. So that we can cancel 2 and 2. Friends, can you able to understand this? So 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x, right? So 1 plus x will be 2 plus root 3 divided by 2. So 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. So we can cancel 2 and 2. The resultant will be 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. So now I think try to take conjugate of this number, right? So when we take conjugate of this number, so the resultant will be 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. So into 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. I think everyone knows how to take a conjugate, right? So the numerator can be written as 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3 will be 2 plus root 3 the whole square, right? So 2 plus root 3 the whole square divided by, So the denominator looks like a minus b and a plus b. So a square minus b square. So a square will be 2 square, that is 4, and b square, root of 3 the whole square will be 3. So 4 minus 3 resultant will be 1, right? So we don't want to write the denominator. Friends, can you able to understand this concept, right? So a minus b, a plus b will be a square minus b square. So a square will be 2 square, that is 4. B square will be root of 3 square will be 3. So 4 minus 3, the denominator will be 1. So we don't want to write the denominator. So finally we got an answer, that is 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x is equals to 2 plus root 3 the whole square, right? So friends, I think let me take a root, friends. Listen here, friends. So this can be written as a root of 1 plus x divided by root of 1 minus x is equal to, when we take a root for the complete term, so root can be written as 1 by 2, right? So 1 by 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So finally we can say that, so root of 1 plus x divided by root of 1 minus x is equal to 2 plus root 3. So friends, but our target to find what is the value of this expression, right? So friends, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to divide root of, listen here friends, dividing a root of 1 minus x in numerator and also denominator for the given expression, right? I'm just going to divide here. So friends, listen carefully. So here it is 1 plus x, right? So 1 plus x divided by root of 1 minus x. Similarly, so when we divide root of 1 minus x divided by root of 1 minus x, the resultant will be 1. And when we divide root of 1 minus x here, so root of 1 plus x divided by a root of 1 minus x, right? So here it is root of 1 minus x. When we divide root of 1 minus x, the resultant will be minus 1. So finally we know that what is root of 1 plus x and root of 1 minus x, the resultant value is 2 plus root 3. So this expression can be written as 2 plus root 3, here it is plus 1, divided by, and here it is 2 plus root 3 minus 1. So finally this can be written as 2 plus 1 will be 3. So 3 plus root 3 divided by 2 minus 1 will be 1, right? So this can be written as 1 plus root 3, right? So 1 plus root. So friends, listen here friends, I think numerator is 3 plus root 3, denominator is 1 plus root 3. So the numerator can be written as, so friends listen carefully, this term can be written as root 3 into root 3, so plus root 3 divided by root 3 plus 1. Friends, can you able to understand this, right? This 3 can be done as root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 resultant will be 3, and here it is plus root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3, right? So friends, finally when we take root 3 common here, so this can be written as root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So we can cancel root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1. So finally we got an answer root 3 for the given expression, right? So which is option number D will be your answer. So friends, remember that by using the value of x, first of all we found what is the value of 1 plus x, right? So after that we divide by 1 minus x and we take a root of both the terms, that is root of 1 plus x and root of 1 minus x. So finally we got an answer 2 plus root 3. And we need to divide root of 1 minus x in the given expression, right? So when we divide root of 1 minus x here and when we divide root of 1 minus x here the resultant will be 1 and the resultant answer will be root of 1 plus x divided by root of 1 minus x. And we know that what is the value of this expression, that is 2 plus root 3. So 2 plus root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 plus root 3 minus 1. So finally by solving the expression we got an answer root 3 for question number 8. Question number 9. If x is equal to 5 minus root of 21, then the value of root x divided by root of 32 minus 2x minus root of 21. So friends, listen here friends, our target to find what is the value of expression, but they have given a value of x is equal to 5 minus root of 21. So let me do one thing friends. First of all, let me find what is the answer for the numerator. So numerator will be root x. So root x is equal to root of 5 minus root of 21. So friends, listen carefully. While solving question number 7 itself, I have told you one thing, right? If you find an expression like this, always try to convert this expression in terms of a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. That is the only way to solve this expression, right? So if you didn't watch question number 7, so kindly go and watch question number 7, right? So this can be written as root of 5 minus 7 into 3 will be 21, right? So finally this can be written as 5 minus root 7 and root 3. But our target to bring this expression in terms of a plus b the whole square, right? Or a minus b the whole square. So if I need to bring 2 here, and this 5 should be written as 7 plus 3, that is 10. So friends, listen carefully friends. I'm just going to write this expression as this 5. I'm going to write this as 10, right? So here it is minus 2 root 7 root 3 divided by 2. So friends, can you able to understand this concept, right? So if this 10 divided by 2, the resultant will be 5. If I divide this 2 by 2, then the resultant will be 1. So I'm just going to write this expression like this in order to convert in the format of a minus b the whole square, right? So friends, this 10 can be written as 7 plus 3. So 7 plus 3 will be 10. So minus 2 root 7 root 3 divided by 2. So friends, finally we have got this expression as a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square will be root of, listen here friends, a square will be root of 7 the whole square, right? And b square will be root of 3 the whole square. And here it is minus 2 root 7 root 3. So minus 2 root 7 root 3. So divided by, this can be written as root 2, right? Here it is 2. So this can be separately written as root 2 friends. So divided by root 2. So friends, finally we have converted this expression in terms of a minus b the whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So this can be written as root 7 minus root 3 whole square divided by root 2. So we can cancel root and 2. So finally the root of x. So finally we got the answer for root x is equal to root 7 minus root 3 divided by root 2. So friends, we got an expression for the numerator, that is root x is equal to root 7 minus root 3 divided by root 2, right? And the denominator is root 32 minus 2x minus root 21. I think let we take this expression friends. Listen here friends, I am just going to take only first two expression, that is 32 minus 2x, right? So this can be written as, listen here friends, 32 minus 2x. We know what is the value of x, right? So x will be 5 minus root of 21. So again this can be written as 32 minus 5 into 2 will be 10 plus 2 root 21. So 32 minus 10 will be 22, right? So this can be written as 22. So here it is plus 2 root 21. So friends, again this expression looks like this format, right? So we need to convert this expression in terms of a plus b the whole square. So here it is root of 21. I can split this 22 as 21 plus 1 plus 2 root 21, because a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square can be written as, listen here friends, root of 21 the whole square, which is a square. So b square will be 1 square plus 2 root 21. So finally we have converted the expression in terms of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this can be written as a plus b the whole square, that is root of 21 plus 1 the whole square. So we can cancel root and 2. So this can be written as a root of 21 plus 1. So finally we got an answer for only for the first two expression, that is root of 21 plus 1, right? So I think we can substitute all the values in this expression friends. We know that root of x will be 7, listen here friends, root of x will be root 7 minus root 3 divided by root 2, right? And root of 32 minus 2x minus 21, we got 21, listen here friends, so we got 21 plus 1, and here it is minus 21, right? So I think we can directly cancel this root of 21 and minus root of 21. So the remainder will be 1, right? So we don't want to write this expression. So finally we can say that answer will be 1 by root 2 into root 7 minus root 3. So finally we got an answer for question number 9, that is option number C, right? So option number C is 1 by root 2 into root 7 minus root 3. So which is option number C will be your answer. So friends, listen carefully. While substitute a value here, that is root 21 plus 1, then plus root 21 minus root 21 gets cancelled, right? So the remaining will be only 1. So we don't want to write that expression. So finally we got an answer as 1 divided by root 2 into root 7 minus root 3. So friends, one of the repeatedly asked SSC exam question. Always remember that though it's a easy question or toughest question, if you find an expression like this, try to convert the expression in terms of a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. Last 10th question in set number 2. So if the expression x square by y square plus tx plus y square by 4 is a perfect square, then the value of t is. So friends, listen here friends, by using this expression we need to find what is the value of t, right? But they have told that this expression is a perfect square. So friends, listen here friends, this looks like a format called a square, right? Similarly, it will be a b square, right? So this will be, I think, listen here friends, a square, b square and 2ab. But they are saying that it's a perfect square, right? So plus or minus. So this can be written as a plus b, that is a plus or minus b the whole square. So friends, remember that if it is a perfect square, so we can say this as plus or minus. So a plus or minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus or minus 2ab, so plus or minus b square. And our target to find what is the value of t, right? And we know that the value of a will be x by y, right? We know that a square will be x square by y square, so we can say that value of a will be x by y, and the value of b will be, here it is y square by 4, so we can say that the value of b will be y by 2, right? So but our target to find what is tx, so this tx will be plus or minus 2ab. So friends, listen here friends, tx is equal to plus or minus 2ab, and we know that what is the value of ab, right? So plus or minus 2, and a will be x by y and b will be y by 2. So finally we can cancel y and y, and similarly we can cancel 2 and 2, so this can be written as tx is equal to plus or minus x, so we can cancel x and x, so finally we got t is equal to plus or minus 1. So finally we got an answer for the last question, that is plus or minus 1, which is option number A will be your answer. So friends, remember that the expression looks like a format called a square plus b square plus 2ab, and we know that it's a perfect square, so we can say that a plus or minus b the whole square, and the value of a will be x by y, and the value of b will be y by 2, and the value of plus or minus 2ab will be tx. So tx is equal to plus or minus 2ab, and we know the value of a and b, just substituting the values. So finally we got an answer for value of t, that is plus or minus 1.